welcome back to Just Giulia. Today I'm making a really special recipe for Mother's Day. I'm making my grandma's special shortbread, and she's been making them for literally like 80 years. And she's taught me, so I better make them pretty good today because there's going to be a taste test afterwards between my mom and my grandma, so hopefully I'll pass. As always guys, if you like what you've seen, please subscribe down below and let's get started on making these shortbread cookies. For this recipe, we're going to be using 4 simple ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of butter, room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of salt. To get started on our shortbread, we're going to sift the flour and the icing sugar. Sifting is super important in this recipe so that we can combine the sugar and the flour together and we're not left with any of those lumps. I'm going to also add in the salt. Now, since this recipe is only 4 ingredients, you really have to make sure you take care and do each step properly. Otherwise, I might not pass the taste test. Now we're going to put the butter into our mixer, fitted with a paddle attachment. Again, this butter is room temperature because we want to mix the ingredients, but we don't want to overmix. We want the shortbread dough to be almost like a crumbly pie-like consistency. So I'm going to start this on low. Really good. Okay, so now the dough has been mixing for about 2 minutes on low. I'm going to transfer it to a work surface here. So it looks pretty mealy right now. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir with my spatula to bring it together a little bit more. This is the part in the recipe where I'm always like, oh my god, this is actually going to work and come together. Okay.
So what's going on?
Mom, it's not done yet. I'll call you when it's ready, okay? It's stressing me out over here. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer it to the counter. And then I'm just going to use my hands to bring it together. And so there's lots of different types of shortbreads that you can make. You can do a shortbread that's made in a sheet and then cut them. But today we're going to do a rolled shortbread and then we're going to slice them. So they're going to be little circles. Okay, so you can see how the dough has come together. I'm going to form it into a log, and then we're going to refrigerate it and get it ready for slicing. This dough just came out of the fridge. It's been in there for just about 2 hours, and we're going to slice it up, and then they're going to be ready to bake. We're going to slice these about 1/3 of an inch thick. And these are going to bake at 300 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, they're going to look almost the same. They won't have very much color on them, but you're going to know they're done because the bottom's going to have a beautiful golden color. These aren't going to spread out very much, so I'm going to place them on the baking sheet in rows of 3. And now, as a little special switch up, I'm going to do half of them with some brown sugar on top. We'll see how Grandma likes these. These are ready to be baked. The cookies are all done and they've been cooled down now for about 15 minutes. I think it's time to bring in the jury. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, this is my mom, Patty.
Hi.
This is my grandma, Anne.
Hi.
So she's the real boss around here. Okay, which one do you want to try, Grams? Sugared or plain?
Sugar.
Okay, you choose. Moment of truth.
Mm-hmm. It's nice to me.
Yes. Mom?
Okay, I'm gonna just try a plain one.
Just like Grandma's?
You know, all I need is a coffee. Perfect. Just like Mom used to make. They're delicious. Yeah. Good job, Giulia.
Thanks, guys.
Ah, good.
Mom and Grandma approved. So if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe down below. And as always, guys, keep cooking.
Pretty good.